Okay guys, so I'm going to be taking you down here to see my good friends Hans and Lynn. Both of them are fanatical about cacti and succulents. You're going to see a collection you've never ever seen in this planet. It's buried in somebody's home. And Hans is a great musician, actor and photographer, and Lynn's an encyclopedia when it comes to cacti and succulents. So come on ahead, I'll take you down to see these guys. Okay guys, that's me down at my friends Lynn and Hans's home here. Absolutely fantastic. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to give you they're mad on cacti and succulents. When I say mad, crazy I mean crazy mad, insanely mad.
Weird.
Cactus and succulent fruit.
They must be about 1,000 cacti.
Well over 1,000 plants, haven't we? We must have between us. Oh, crazy guys.
We have stopped to count them.
We cannot count. There's so many like seedlings and everything. Probably about 2,000.
Listen, nurse, I'm going to put the links up above to both Lynn and Hans's YouTube channels. Absolutely, mindful of information about cacti and succulents. And as I say, I'll put the links up above, and also other plants as well. But as I say, cacti and succulents is our main bag. So listen, come on and have a wee look around here. I'm going to be taking photographs in here as well. So I want to show you inside their polytunnel. Absolutely massive.
Yeah, I'll let Sean give you a tour of our crazy cactus and succulent polytunnel.
Look at them dreads. I have to see your dreads, sir. Oh, look at the length of his dreads there. Huh? Look at that. Here we go.
Wow. Thank you, darling. Oh, yeah.
Welcome to the Cactus and Succulent Haven.
Wow, guys, for flip's sake, man, this is absolutely fantastic. I actually gave the guys a hand to put this up. How many months ago was this?
Oh, this was beginning of October.
Yeah, 3.5 months now.
3.5 months ago
yeah.
now, and look at this. And
this is fantastic.
it's crazy, isn't it?
I'm going to pan around here and let you see. So guys, this is the weird and wacky world of cacti and succulents. I have to say, those of you guys who've been following my channel from the beginning, I know a lot of you guys are here also from Lenny's channel. You know that myself and Lenny, we were together. We were a couple for, 11 years nearly, Lenny?
11 years? A long time.
11 years, so, and as I say, our friendship is still as strong and as vibrant now. And my soul brother, Hans Muller, Lynn's fiance, we're what do you call it? We're not conventional people. But let me tell you, I have to say, Lynn, they never looked as healthy. God, this is fantastic.
Do you know I said to Hans the other day, and I actually said this morning, that since these cacti have been in the polytunnel, they have never looked so good. Yeah. They are really, really looking healthy. And I was a bit worried because we overwintered them in a polytunnel. We do have a heater, but they've come from being indoors in a house during the winter to being practically outdoors. But they have never looked so good. They seem to be fantastic. Very happy.
Absolutely amazing.
This is the big tall serious type of cacti there. This
What that boy up there looks tied up at the top.
You know the one that's tied up now, guys. This one here, Hans has grown from seed.
Go away.
43 years ago.
Oh, you go. You're kidding me, Hans.
Yeah.
43 years.
Yeah, time's running.
Yeah. Time's running for us all. But like what I'm saying is, with that one there.
Yeah, this one. But I have cut it a lot of times. If I haven't done that, it would have been 5 meters now. So.
Wow, that's unbelievable.
Fatty boom,
Okay.
You love him. I took him from Stockholm to Ireland. Isn't that yeah?
And still all a good thing.
I couldn't leave that guy.
No way, no way. And as Hans just meant in Stockholm, as you can gather, Hans is not from Belfast here, he's actually from Sweden.
I'm a stranger.
We're all Sweden. You're blowing as I say, look at that.
Lovely selection of different flowering slumbergers. That one's got golden flowers, look at that. Isn't it beautiful?
At all buds there.
Yeah, loads of buds. This has been flowering since the end of November and it's now January, it's incredible. And actually one of the Easter cacti, Ripsolidopsis, normally flowers in March, flowering
But
now.
this flower has flowered 1 month now.
Yeah,
This particular flower.
that actual
Isn't
flower.
it?
The
Yeah.
Are you
one
sure it's not
flower.
plastic? No.
No. You can eat them.
It's
That's
incredible.
Look at this here, guys. So guys, listen, as I say, check out the guys. I'm going to take some photographs here, but check out the websites up above. And as I say, you know, if you really want to know anything about plants, especially cacti and succulents, the guys are the ones who know. And they genuinely, it's their passion, it's their love. See, mine's is photography. Theirs is cacti and succulents. They love helping people. So you can check out all the links above and below there and check them out. And they're going to have a wee nursery, online nursery, and also you can come and visit in the spring and the summer of this year. So if you're looking for any wee plants and things like that, I know the guys are in the process of getting everything sorted out, but wow. You see, when the guys are sitting, you know, touching the plants, you know, they're used to them and they don't get jagged. When I just happen to stand close to them, I get jagged. But look at them, they're nice and soft. These are succulents, so these wouldn't be cacti, they succulents, guys?
These are mostly succulents. That's cactus there, Mammillaria fragilis.
Okay.
And
What's this one here? Succulent?
that is a succulent, a Graptopetallum.
Okay.
And these are echeverias here. These always look like flowers, they're lovely.
Are they eatable?
They're definitely not eatable now.
Okay.
You can eat everything, but you can't guarantee how you feel.
These are cacti here. Selection of different. Look at the spines on them, guys. That is seriously fierce, but gorgeous. Both of these are punchers.
Do you say gorgeous, sir?
Gorgeous, yeah.
Do you see what I mean about the guys seeing things differently? There you go.
Big white spines
Lovely.
and big golden spines there. They're
Tell me
just
this here, guys.
awesome.
You both genuinely are so passionate about the cacti and succulents, yeah? Hans, how long have you been into cacti and succulents?
My first cacti I got was 1958.
1958.
It was an Echinopsis aerisi.
Okay.
Yeah, and after that I'm hooked. So
Hooked
Yeah.
or jagged? Yeah, I like that.
Yeah,
Hooked, yeah.
and and the first sowing was 62 or something. I saw
Wow.
my first one.
Hope it is.
So on that road I go.
Yeah. Then you mentioned there it was when your wee plants over 30 odd years ago.
Over 30 years ago. I was 12 years old. My brother Mike brought home some cacti from a garden centre that's still around today called B&Q, more of a DIY place as well. And I was fascinated with them. And I thought, oh, I want these. And we sort of looked after them together. My brother had them on his windowsill. And then eventually he sort of got bored of the hobby and I sort of took the plants from him. And then I was addicted since then, and what started off as a few windowsill collection, this was the very first, these two together, the very first, this one is the very first cactus I ever had in my collection.
Wow.
Guys, that's it actually was a lot better than that. I had to sadly completely take all this plant apart only a week or so ago because it was covered in mealybug and I couldn't take any risks, so I had to dissect it. But that's all the original stems from the original plant.
They were survivors.
They're survivors, so it's a long time ago. And the majority, a lot of these plants I brought over from England, probably 11, possibly 12 years ago now. So probably had a lot of them over 25 years. Incredible.
And I think what you have done with the plants is fantastic. I have to say, I've never seen such a collection
It's remarkable, isn't it?
of cacti and succulents. Credit to you. There you go, guys. Absolutely fantastic collection of plants. I have to say, you know, when you see somebody following their passion, somebody following their bliss, doesn't matter whether it's, you know, photography or plant collecting or stamp collecting, even train spotting, it doesn't matter. When somebody's following their passion, truly following their passion, it reflects in what they're doing. And you can clearly see that The guys here love their plants so much. Look at that, like. You have to say, it doesn't matter whether you're into cacti and succulents or what. Aren't these amazing? They truly are amazing. Look at these big boys here. These are carnivorous plants here. There you go. So guys, what can I say? I hope you enjoyed that. It's something different anyway. I never knew, when I looked at the wee plants, I always thought cacti and succulents. You think of the cowboy cactus, ones you see in the westerns and things like that. But you don't realise that the how much beauty comes out of the flowers on a lot of these cacti are amazing. Like you get something, I'm going to use a bad term here, you get a wee plant that looks ugly, and out of it comes the most beautifulest flower. They wouldn't say it's ugly, would you?
No, these plants are not ugly. They're just wacky and weird.
Okay.
And unusual.
Rather than calling them ugly, I'll call them weird and wacky. Out of these weird and wacky plants, something so beautiful, an amazing flower. And as I say, tell you, if you want to get your eyes opened, check out the guys' links to the channels. One would take a wee dander inside and see what's happening. Okay guys, so Hans is an amazing musician, and as I say, I'll put all the links up above, but this is only some of his instruments and collections. You get his keyboards and things like that. Look at his guitars. Hans, you're an amazing collection, my brother. Yeah. The good news is you can play them too, which is fantastic. Look at that. Yeah. Do you give us a tune there, Hans? Or is that too much? Too much to ask to give us a tune? Yeah, would you be able to give us a tune? Would you? Put you in a spot. If you don't know, don't worry if you don't.
I can do that if you want.
I did there. So this is, sorry, we a bit of an impromptu
It's a Gibson 345.
Whatever tickles your fancy. Wow, here we go. Okay guys, not too sure. This is like an lactic, is it like a lactic double bass or just a lactic bass, Hans?
Lactic double bass.
A lactic double bass, so you're probably familiar with the double bass. You would have seen the old rock and rollers play, and but this is a modern version of them, of course. There we go.
Oops, yeah.
Magic man. Okay guys, so listen, thank you very much for watching, and as I really appreciate Hans and Lynn let me show you around there. I had a few other videos, clips that I'd taken, but I thought I took but didn't record, so I lost out on a few other things there. So listen, thank you so much for watching. Check out the guys' links up above and down below, and give them a wee bit of love there. And I say thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.